Hi everyone, this is Dalai Lama, Assistant Professor Physics in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Previous class we discussed parallelogram law of vectors to find out the magnitude and direction. This completely magnitude of the vectors. Today class, the direction of the resultant vector. Okay now, OPQS is the parallelogram. Next one, the OP line extend to N and S2 is the perpendicular line. A and B are two vectors. Next one, angles, theta angles and alpha angles. Next one, to find out the Sn and Pn. Sn is called B sin theta, Pn is called B cos theta. To take as the right angle triangle ONS. ONS. Okay now. The ONS. ONS. The P. Okay now. To apply the tan theta formula. The theta is equal alpha degrees. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent side. Okay now. This is the alpha angle. The alpha angle opposite angle is the Sn. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to Sn by adjacent side. This is the ON, the adjacent side. Therefore, Sn equal to Sn, but ON is equal to OP plus Pn. OP plus Pn. Okay, now this is the ON line. ON is equal to OP plus Pn. Therefore, tan alpha equal to Sn. Sn is equal to B bar sin theta. B bar sin theta by OP. OP is equal to A bar plus Pn. Pn is equal to B cos theta. This is tan alpha is equal to B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Or to find out the alpha angle. Therefore, alpha equal to the tan. The 1 by tan theta. Tan alpha is equal to 1 by tan of the tan inverse. This is the LHS side, the multiplication, tan into alpha. To transform in the other side. This is the multiplication, is the division. 1 by tan alpha is tan inverse. Tan inverse of B bar sin theta by A bar plus B bar cos theta. This is the direction of the resultant vector. Alpha is equal to tan inverse B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. There are three cases in parallelogram law of vector, magnitude and direction. First one, case 1 is the two vectors. A and B are two vectors. Two vectors. A bar and B bar are two vectors. The direction is same. Direction is same means the theta is equal 0 degrees. The parallel lines. Theta is equal 0 degrees. First of all, to find out the magnitude. The formula of parallelogram magnitude R bar equal under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. This is the formula of the magnitude of the resultant vector. Therefore, R bar equal under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Theta is equal to 0 degrees. Cos 0 degrees. Okay now. The same line as parallel lines is equal theta is equal to 0 degrees. R bar equal under root of A square plus B square plus 2AB into cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 2AB. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, cos 0 degrees is equal to 1. This is the A square plus B square plus 2AB. The formula of A plus B whole square. Therefore, R bar equal under root of A plus B whole square bar. Okay, now the formula of A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB equal a plus b whole square. Okay, next one, the square and root cancel. Final answer is equal to r bar equal to a plus b, a bar plus b bar. Okay, and this is the magnitude of the vectors. Magnitude of resultant vector. Next one is the direction of resultant vector. The same line theta is equal to 0 degrees. The direction of resultant vector is the formula alpha is equal tan inverse b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. A plus b cos theta. Okay, now b bar, a bar plus b bar. Okay, the same direction is the parallel line. The theta is equal 0 degrees. To apply the theta is equal 0 degrees. Therefore, tan inverse b bar sin 0 degrees by a bar plus b bar of 0 degrees. Okay, now next one, sin 0 degrees is called 0. Sin 0 is equal to 0 degrees is equal to 0. Next one, cos 0 degrees is equal to 1. This values apply this equation. Therefore, alpha is equal to tan inverse b bar sin 0 degrees equal to 0, b bar into 0 by a bar plus b bar cos theta. Cos 0 degrees is equal to 1, b bar into 1. Okay, and the next one is the tan inverse b into 0 is equal to 0, or something in this 0 is a 0. Therefore, 0 by a bar plus b bar. Okay, now next one, 0 by something is equal to 0. Therefore, alpha is equal to 0 degrees. Okay, now tan inverse 0 by a bar plus b bar is equal to 0. 0 by something is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to 0 degrees. The direction of the resultant vector is the same direction. Theta is equal to 0 degrees. Equal alpha is equal to 0 degrees. The second case is a comma b are two vectors is perpendicular to each other. A and b are two vectors. The two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means the theta is equal to 90 degrees. So the 90 degrees perpendicular. Okay, now first of all, to find out the magnitude of the resultant vector. Vector. Okay, now first of all, the parallelogram, the magnitude of two vectors equal r bar equal under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, now next one, theta is equal 90 degrees. To substituting theta is equal 90 degrees. Therefore, r bar equal under root of a square bar plus b square bar plus 2ab cos theta. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. To substituting theta is equal to 90 degrees. But the perpendicular two vectors each other. R bar equal under root of a square plus b square 2ab cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. So substituting cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. 2 into ab into 0. R bar equal under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab into 0 equal to 0. Therefore, r bar equal under root of a square plus b square. This is the magnitude of the resultant of two vectors with the perpendicular two vectors each other. R bar equal a square plus b square. The next one is the direction of the resultant vector of two vectors. A and B are two vectors. If two vectors perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means the 90 degrees. The direction of the resultant vector in parallelogram. Formula equal to alpha equal to tan inverse b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. The theta is equal to 90 degrees. The theta is equal to 90 degrees. Perpendicular is the 90 degrees. To substitute theta is equal to 90 degrees. Tan inverse b sin theta is equal to 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees by a bar plus b cos theta. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. But sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. To substituting values in this equation. Therefore, alpha is equal to tan inverse b sin theta. Sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. Substituting this equation. Tan inverse b sin theta is equal to 1 by a plus b cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. b into 0. Therefore, tan inverse b bar by a bar. Okay, b into something is equal to 0. Therefore, alpha is equal to tan inverse b bar by a bar. This is the perpendicular lines of two vectors. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. In the second case, a by the two vectors, theta is equal to 90 degrees. The magnitude of the two vectors equal to r bar equal to under root of a square plus b square. Next one, the direction of the resultant vector alpha is equal to tan inverse b by a. If a bar equal to b bar or b bar equal to a bar. Okay, next two vectors are equal. To substitute this equation, therefore r bar equal to under root of a square plus a square because of a equal to b. R bar equal to under root of 2a square. Finally, r bar equal to root 2 into a bar. This is the same vectors. A bar equal to b bar. The answer resultant vector is equal to magnitude of r bar equal to root 2 into a. A square into root cancels for a. Next one, direction of the resultant vector alpha is equal to tan inverse b bar by a bar. If a bar equal to b bar, okay na, alpha is equal to tan inverse. Substituting a bar equal to b bar in this equation. Therefore, a bar equal to b bar by b bar. So b bar will cancel 1. Alpha is equal to tan inverse 1. Therefore, tan inverse means the 45 degrees. Alpha is equal to 45 degrees. The special cases, if two vectors are equal. The third case is a bar and b bar are two vectors. The direction is the opposite direction. Opposite direction. Opposite direction means the theta is equal to 180 degrees. The theta is equal to 180 degrees. First of all, to find out the magnitude of the resultant vector. Magnitude of resultant vector. If r bar equal the formula of magnitude of two vectors, r bar equal under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, number theta equal to 180 degrees is the opposite direction. R bar equal to under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees since. Next one, r bar equal under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 180 degrees equal cos 180 degrees equal to cos 90 plus 90. Cos 90 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal 90 plus 90 180. But cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. But sin 90 degrees is equal to 1 minus 1. Therefore, cos 180 degrees is equal to minus 1. To substitute this equation, minus 1. R bar equal under root of a square plus b square plus into minus 2ab. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. Therefore, R bar equal to under root of a minus b whole square. Both sides squaring. Square root cancel. R bar equal to R square is equal to R equal to plus or minus a minus b. This is the magnitude of the resultant vector. Next one, the case 3, a and b are two vectors. The vectors are opposite direction. Opposite direction is theta is equal to 90 degrees or 180 degrees. To find out the direction of the resultant vector, the formula of direction of resultant vector is equal to alpha is equal to tan inverse b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. To substitute, theta is equal to 180 degrees because it's the opposite direction of two vectors. Therefore, alpha is equal to tan inverse b sin theta is equal to 180 degrees by a plus b cos theta. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now it is sin 180 degrees equal to sin 90 plus 90. Sin 90 degrees plus 90 degrees. Sin 90 plus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Cos theta, theta is equal to 90 degrees. But cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. The next one, previous discussed cos 180 degrees is equal to minus 1. To substitute this equation, therefore alpha is equal to tan inverse b sin 180 degrees is equal to 0 by a plus b minus 1. Alpha is equal to tan b by b into 0, 0. 0 by something equal to 0. So, alpha is equal to 0 degrees. This is the direction of the vector of opposite direction of the two vectors.